everyone. Hello everyone. This is lecture number 195. ये 195 लेक्चर है. इसमें रिडंडेंट फ्रेम के बारे में हम लोग थोड़ा पढ़ेंगे और we apply the second theorem of Castigliano का एप्लीकेशन करेंगे रिडंडेंट फ्रेम को फाइंड आउट करने के लिए. तो बेसिकली रिडंडेंट फ्रेम क्या है, जिसमें कि इनडिटरमिनेट स्ट्रक्चर है. तो डिटरमिनेट और इनडिटरमिनेट स्ट्रक्चर में यह है कि स्टैटिक इक्विलिब्रियम आर सफिशिएंट टू सॉल्व द डिटरमिनेट स्ट्रक्चर, बट these equations are not sufficient to solve the indeterminate structure. Bending moment, shear force independent of material and section, but in this case this is evolution of material and composition of material and also depend on the section. This temperature and lack of fit not used over here, but temperature and lack of fit, yes, it is utilized over here. So these are the basic difference in the redundant means determinate and indeterminate structures. Now we'll go for the second theorem of Castigliano. In any case of static indetermination, an indefinite number of different values of redundant forces satisfy the condition of static equilibrium. The actual value are given by those that render the total state energy stored to be minimum, to a minimum. कहने का मतलब ये हुआ कि अगर आपके ही रिडंडेंट फ्रेम में अगर आप करें तो डिफरेंट वैल्यू रख करके रिएक्शंस को फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. यू कैन हैव डिफरेंट वैल्यूज. सपोज करिए कोई आपका इस तरह का ट्रस है, यू हैव गॉट दिस टाइप ऑफ ट्रस इन दिस वे. सो यू कैन हैव this A, this is your B, this is your C and D, like this. So you can have a number of point over here to put some value over here and get the value B at this point. For different value you will get different value, but the value for which the strain energy is the least, that will you give the real value of the reaction. So this is the formula, that is the whatever the strain energy divided by with respect to the reaction or force, you differentiate, you will find the minimum energy, put it 0, and the value of in doing this whatever will be the x will be calculated is the result for the minimum strain energy. So we have taken example. Let us take a simple example. AB, this is a UDL, WUDL is there. So we have taken mx, rx minus wx square by 2, wi m square dx upon 2i. So we have put rx 1 w square whole square dx upon 2ei. We differentiated first w 2ei with respect to r. So this will 2ei out, and rx minus wx square 2 and differentiation of r with respect to rx with r in dx. So this will be like this. So integrate it. So this will be your rx cube by 3 minus w x 4 by 8 and 0 to l. So r by 3 is equal to this. So r equals to your r by 3, r equals to wl into 3, that is 3 by 8 wl. So in this way we, by utilizing this formula, that is the differentiation of strain energy with respect to that reaction which we are going to find, and put it 0 and do this, you will get the actual reactions. So this is your new formulae which is displayed by second theorem of Castigliano. So in this way we can solve the problem relating to the reaction or simple indeterminate structures. Thank you for attending class. Next class will take another problems. Okay.